Welcome back. Another legendary video from Motorking and this whole bitch ass nigga, boy.
Legendary, huh?
Legendary nigga gotta say it in the making,
Yeah,
cause so let YouTube know. Bitch ass nigga.
Yeah,
Alright, y'all. We finna go in and have Mr. CJ's Customs. Need to clean this fucking yard up. Always talking about my fault. He didn't want to catch my dirty ass car. And for the record, I do love my Mustang, y'all. Fuck wrong with him. There's just some shit he got in here and he ain't fixed. My knob, my door panels. Look at this shady ass nigga, man. Shady. Just shady.
yeah.
But yeah, y'all, he finna go ahead and start busting it down, taking off my panels, installing my ghost lights. It's gonna probably be like a 2-part video. We're gonna get them installed and everything else. Go to work. Come back from work. We're gonna end the video. Show y'all how the ghost lights look. And y'all can come over here, Mr. CJ's Customs, and get y'all installed too. We'll see y'all a little later. We're gonna have, little interludes and everything else, different sections. We'll let y'all know how it's going about the next 25, 35 minutes. Say something for the camera, bitch ass nigga, since you don't want to catch my car and shit. Man, y'all hear that old lame ass shit? He don't even make it look fun. Damn, why they gotta subscribe to CJ's Customs? He ain't telling us nothing.
What you mean, why? Why not? Why not just subscribe?
What's on the fucking channel?
Yeah, custom boxes, custom center consoles. We're gonna have custom cars. You're gonna have Red coming. You're gonna have the LS Monte Carlo coming.
What else, man? You acting like it's bigger than life. The Corona bigger than that, man. What?
Man,
Why?
you just gonna have to tune in. I can't tell you everything.
Oh, okay,
You
so
gotta tune in.
y'all heard it from his old lame ass shit, man. I'm trying to get this nigga to pump it up, man. We gotta get everybody, your grandma, your mama, everybody on this motherfucking channel, man. But y'all go ahead and subscribe to CJ's Customs as well. Tap notification bell so y'all can see everything. Bitch ass nigga posting and shit. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? Y'all, of course, subscribe to Motor Kings, you know what I'm saying? Everything booming, fun races, new installments, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna have more stuff to come, y'all. So alright guys. Shit. Y'all here, of course, Hold on. She ain't got the chop yet. Just yet. Not just yet. But we had a little part installment right now. And y'all see it. Y'all see the other side as well. So we're gonna make a circle. We're gonna go ahead and add all the stuff. Get the whole video. Look at my nigga CJ's Customs. We went ahead and added the ghost light finally, y'all. CJ finally had time to install my shit. And on both sides, closed door, go away. And boom. Anybody? Shit, y'all know Motor King, y'all know me. CJ's Customs did the work. Part 2 of the video, date night, huh? See, nighttime, so y'all hit the card, y'all see the light. It's gonna conclude this video. Always, y'all know the time it is, man. Subscribe, comment, share. Make sure y'all gonna, CJ's Customs, y'all tap in with his. Y'all go ahead and subscribe. Get all that down there as well. He actually over there. Y'all can hear him in the background, but this concludes this video, y'all. Motor King out.